everyone, this is Shani-Lifrak with KSL Collective and Keller Williams on the Water. And today we're at 2141 McClellan Parkway. This is a John Cannon home. It was actually built in the year 2000, but completely updated. It has 4-bedroom and 4.5 bathrooms, over 4,200 square feet, and a 3-car garage, as you can see here. So let me show you inside. This home has over 4,200 square feet and 20-foot ceilings, as you can see here. It's very open floor plan. Has all new engineered hardware floor on the first floor. And over here, we're going into the master bathroom. Oh, sorry, master suite. Beautiful tray ceilings. The sliding doors overlook the pool, and you have an extensive walk-in closet that goes all around here behind me. Very spacious. Beautiful, updated. All 4 bathrooms were completely updated with modern fixtures and stone countertops, and there's this beautiful soaking tub. Over here, inside the master suite, we have a den, a private office that also overlooks the pool. So you can have your private time and then go straight into bed. Beautiful, cozy living space with a built-in fireplace. Very high windows that bring a lot of light in during the day. I actually happen to be here in the late afternoon, so it's not as bright. With a grand master staircase that goes up to the 2nd floor. The beautiful kitchen was, again, recently updated with all beautiful white new cabinets and quartz countertops and black backsplashes. It has gas, natural gas, and the Miele appliances are all going to be installed prior to closing. We're going up this beautiful staircase. And once you reach up, you can look either way into the beautiful, extensive dining area. Or on the other side, you have your living room and pool area. Here's one of the guest bedrooms or family bedrooms. Again, everything was updated with new tile and the most modern and updated fixtures. And each one of the bedrooms have a spacious walk-in closet. So a little sitting area here. Relax and enjoy your coffee, read a book. Nobody reads newspapers anymore. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Like and subscribe below, and we'll see you soon.